Supercharge your development with MCP Integration. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you'll be able to explain what Model Context Protocol, MCP, is and why it's important. Describe how the Salesforce DX MCP server enhances development workflows. Integrate MCP servers with Agentforce for enhanced functionality. Use MCP to access external tools and data sources. What is Model Context Protocol? Model Context Protocol, MCP, is an open standard that enables AI assistants like Agentforce to securely connect with external tools, data sources, and services. Think of MCP as a universal translator that allows your AI assistant to interact with virtually any system or service, dramatically expanding its capabilities beyond code generation. MCP is important because it transforms Agentforce from a standalone coding tool into a comprehensive development ecosystem. Instead of being limited to generating code based on its training data, Agentforce can now access real-time information, interact with your development tools, query databases, and integrate with third-party services, all while maintaining security and privacy standards. Salesforce DX MCP Server, your development powerhouse. The Salesforce DX MCP Server is a specialized MCP implementation that connects Agentforce directly to your Salesforce development environment. This integration provides unprecedented access to your org's metadata, configuration, and development tools. With the Salesforce DX MCP Server, Agentforce can query your org's schema and metadata in real time, access custom object definitions, field configurations, and relationships, retrieve and analyze existing Apex classes, triggers, and Lightning components, understand your org's security model, permission sets, and profiles, generate code that's perfectly aligned with your org's specific configuration, suggest optimizations based on your actual data model and usage patterns. Integrate MCP with your development workflow. MCP integration transforms how you interact with Agentforce. Instead of providing context manually, MCP servers automatically supply relevant information about your development environment. This means Agentforce can generate more accurate, contextually appropriate code that follows your org's patterns and conventions. For example, when you ask Agentforce to create a new Apex class, the Salesforce DX MCP server can provide information about existing similar classes, your org's naming conventions, required security considerations, and relevant custom objects, all automatically.
Get started with MCP. To start using MCP with Agentforce, enable the Salesforce DX MCP server. Connect additional MCP servers for your development tools. Configure authentication and permissions for secure access. Begin chatting with Agentforce. It will automatically use MCP connections. Experience enhanced code generation with real-time context and integration. MCP represents the future of AI-assisted development, where your AI assistant becomes a true partner that understands not just code, but your entire development ecosystem. Conclusion. This module gave you an introduction to the world of Agentforce Vibes and the exceptional capabilities of MCP integration. You're now prepared to use what you've learned as you continue on your journey as a Salesforce developer with more modern tools at your disposal. From basic code generation to comprehensive ecosystem integration, Agentforce and MCP provide the foundation for a new era of intelligent, context-aware development. Onward.